I think we are having a foundation for the future of this field. The assessment that the gaming and animation media will be catching up very soon throughout the world. To be a part of that, Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh should take the first initiative towards this field is the idea of the government. I think with technology changing so fast in all, we have seen a sea of change in our lifetimes. In the last 30-40 years, we have seen the telegram going out of circulation. I don't think any youngster knows what a trunk call is from a phone today. With technology, things are changing drastically and they are coming within the reach of common man. Affordable technology is what is required for the country. With these changes, we have to catch up with these changes. Otherwise, it is very difficult for the youngsters or for us to know what's happening in the world. Today, the competition is not within us. The competition is not within one college to one college or one city to one city. The competition is world over. And the fittest is going to survive. Whoever is the fittest in the world, it's become a global competition. Whoever is the best in the world will survive, others will perish. In this competition, if you have to survive, we will have to take lead start in a lot of things. Whether it's a risk, whether we are taking a risk or we are sure about what we are doing. That's what the officers should do. You have to assessing and then taking advantage of the situation for the future is what is required, and that is what Andhra Pradesh is known about. In the last 3 years, we have got lot of changes into the system. I don't know how many of you are aware of it, but I thought this is a good platform for you to know what the government is doing. We have gotten a new service called the Me Seva service, which the Minister, Mr. Ponna Lakshmi, just explained. We started off with 7 services where the citizen does not go to the government office but goes to the center, which is run mostly by private people, and gets his service for a small amount immediately, most of them across the table, about 35-40% of the services across the table, so that the citizen does not waste his time, he does not have to waste his money trying to give the middleman a lot of money to get his work done in the government offices. This has literally revolutionized the whole system. Today, from 7 services, we are touching nearly about 200 or 220, 250 services. And the transactions per day is nearly 1 lakh transactions per day. In the normal course, these 1 lakh people who are coming to the offices for their services would have had to go to the offices several times for one certificate, or shell out lot of money from 200 to 500 to 5,000 rupees for each service, for each transaction. We have gotten transparency into the system. So we have touched 1 lakh transactions a day. Imagine how much of time and money a common man is saving by this single service, which we have not given much publicity. But I think we have got the best technology innovation for the second time in the country for Me Seva. I think yesterday or today, the letter has come from Government of India that Andhra Pradesh has stood first in technology innovation for Me Seva for the second time. All this is to see that transparency is there. The other day, my leader and our Vice President, Mr. Rahul Gandhi had a meeting with all the chief ministers about Lokpal and Lok Janpal, Lok Ayutta and Lokpal. For here we have got Lokpal from 1983. So I got it to his notice that in a state there will be about 3,000 or 4,000 cases in Lokpal or Lok Ayutta. Only 3,000 or 4,000 cases. That too, it is regarding politicians or officers or somewhere where corruption is involved. But what is required for the citizens, what is required for the people is something like Me Seva, that is the citizens' charter, where when the services are not delivered to the citizen, the government should be forced to pay a compensation to the citizen and see that these services are delivered on time, without any cost, without corruption to the citizen. That is what has to come into the system. I believe they are trying to get a new bill in the country on the lines of this Me Seva in the next parliament. So these are certain things we are trying to do, and we have connected to all the mandals by video conferencing from Hyderabad. There is no state in the country which are connected to all the mandal headquarters by video conferencing. Now we are starting this new. We are having a foundation stone for gaming, animation, and media entertainment. Mr. Rameshwar Rao is a very known industrialist, very big industrialist, who is also in my task force with the Chief Minister for Rajiv Yuvakirnalu Youth. I will surely look into your problem. Please come to me. We will solve your problem. We are not here to create problems for the industrialists, more so for industrialists who belong to this state. We want to encourage the industrialists. We want to give you a clean business atmosphere to prosper in this state. We don't want you to go outside. We want you to invest here. Whatever is your problem, we will sort it out. Please come to us. I will sort it out. No, he is a very respected person, and he is one of the biggest industrialists from Telangana who is doing a lot of good work also. He is doing a lot of social work. So I was very agitated when I found him protesting. Whatever it is, if it is our problem, we will sort it out. Please come to me. I invite you to come to me. I didn't know The Life of Pi was produced here. If it has won the Oscar, it is a Hyderabad tiger. That is why it has won the Oscar for special effects. I didn't know it was an Hyderabad tiger. I saw the film. It is absolutely a wonderful film. And I was amazed. I think many such films. When we were young, if I think my age, a lot of them are there, we used to see a lot of Tom and Jerry. We used to see Phantom either in cartoons or in this thing. We used to see Tarzan. We used to see Batman. We used to see Spider-Man. They are all interesting. Something to read and see is boring. Something to watch and hear is interesting. It's always there. The effect of visual media, I think the newspapers also are having it because of the channels there. They are having a problem of, newspapers are having a problem with news because the channels give the news much earlier. The news goes to the people much earlier. Films are having a problem because of technology now, because of the TV, because of the internet, because of the films. The old film industry is having a problem. So when technology comes, it is some old technologies or old what we have to preserve are becoming absolute, and they are going away, and new technologies are coming. So we have to not only adopt the new technologies, we have to have a vision of being ahead of the technology and visualize what is required for the students. And students from Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh, we are trying to educate students, but we are also on the other hand trying to see that these students are put to productive use. Our country being one of the youngest countries in the world, where 54% of our population is below the age of 25. unless you have the correct direction for them, unless you have the correct education for them, unless you have the correct skill development for them, it is going to be very difficult for the youngsters to go to other countries or other places and work. We have to create employment here. We have to create employment as per their education. I do not want engineering students or PhD students going in joining in a village as VROs and or some other revenue inspectors and all. Value for money or value for your talent will only be there when you have got the correct job for your education, when you can prove yourself, when it is a challenge for you. That challenge will come only with the advancement of technology and foresight. I think I wish the state government officers and Mr. Ponna Lakshmaya were doing excellent work in this. There are a lot of industries which are functioning from here. We went to one industry, Honeywell, I think. That industry monitors signals and weather condition throughout the world for nearly 50% of the Boeings in the world from Hyderabad. The landing, the takeoff, all signals for nearly 14,000 flights is given from Hyderabad. We have got another industry, I think Infotech has an industry with engineers which monitors the condition of the Boeing engine while flying throughout the world. It monitors from Hyderabad. This type of technology, this type of advancement, we should have these industries here. This is the scope for youngsters to train themselves and become world leaders in their jobs. And I wish that this new innovation we are taking, I think we are nearly investing 350 crores in this, and it is a good investment for the future of this industry and for the future of the students. I wish them all the best, and from our side, it is always the government is always there for the youngsters. We have trained trained and placed about 4 lakh youngsters in private jobs through the Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu mission. In government jobs, we have filled up about 1,60,000 jobs in the state. Out of that 1,60,000, nearly 60,000 jobs are newly created jobs, newly created posts have been filled up. Another 50,000-60,000 jobs we are filling up in government field. So we are trying to fill up and see that youngsters get good opportunities both in the government and outside. The whole government employment is only 8 lakhs, 8 to 9 lakhs. It cannot be more. 8 to 9 lakh employment, we are giving a salary and pension of about 51,000 crores. Approximately now what we pay for them is about 51,000 crores. The other day we gave them interim relief. About 8,000 crores is the interim relief. So it has become 59,000 crores. So governments have to be very careful while employing, but at the same time, we have to increase our resources, we have to create facilities for youngsters, we have to give them a direction, we have to do little bit of hand holding before they go into employment. All that we are trying, and in spite of difficult testing times, I think we are used to playing on hard and bouncy pitches also. So we have got used to that in this last 3 years, and we will try to do our best. And all the best for Mr. Basireddy and others who are connected in this field. And we are trying our best to see that this gaming and animation media entertainment becomes, it's a long-term plan, and we will do our best to see that it is a good success. Thank you very much.